I had an art minor in college. I've always loved art, and life had its course, and I really didn't have time for art, and other priorities took precedence. And so at this point in my life, I can just do it and enjoy it.
I was an art student in high school, and we used to do things like this, so it's reconnecting with some old skills. It gets people involved who wouldn't ordinarily take a course at CCC, gives a lot of people who are older, who are out of school, an opportunity to go and do something new and different for them. And I think it's very important to have that involvement of the whole community of all ages.